Today is July, July 8th and Isaac 7th, and Isaac has figured out how to do bubbles himself. How to shake it. Go ahead, Bubby. Show everybody. Good, shake the bubbles. Shake it harder. Good job. You're doing bubbles. Here. Mommy the bit. Isn't that cool, the bubbles? Isn't they cool? Ready? Okay. Shake it. Shake good. Shake it hard. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Good job, buddy. Let Mama see. Let's get more bubbles. More bubbles. Ready? Okay, shake it good. Shake it. Shake it. Don't put your hands in the bubbles. Shake it. Shake it. Good job.